from a few months ago, and we went on our little adventure to pick up these cool Apple IIe and the Apple II Plus. These are definitely some kind of barn find, and that is excrement. Welcome to the Apple Orchard. Join myself and others collecting vintage and not so vintage Apple computers and products. Welcome to the Orchard. I got this piss stain thing out of here. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, now it is time to clean off the motherboard. And I've never done this before, at least with water. So I am going to actually let the video roll just in case I do destroy this thing. You can see the back looks pretty good. There. So we're going to do that. I got a variety of brushes we're going to do. Then we're going to rinse her down with alcohol and then put her up to dry. And hopefully everything works out just fine, at least in this part. Granted, some of these areas look a little damaged. I'm not going to lie. I'm guessing it might take a few jumper wires to get this old lady working again. But we're going to do our best. Alright, so here we go. Contact. We're going to use warm water because we can. Start off with a little more docile brush after we do our initial rinse. Come on, water, heat up. There we go. I should have probably got that going before we started this. Now we're fine. Alright, here we go. Nothing. Ah! Oh, it burns. Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this. Actually, I can.
Years of systematic abuse from little woodland creatures.
That came out pretty nice. Before I get too cocky with this, let's bring it over to here. And can we get down that far? Since this good old COVID stuff has started, I usually just go out and get some 90 alcohol, but get lucky to find the 70% nowadays. So we'll start with the 70 and we'll finish with the 90. So I'm just going to dump it on top. I don't even know if I can see that in the camera. Just find its way out. Backside looks shiny still. Whew. Using a lot of my alcohol on this, but that is okay. Hopefully we can save this. Actually, that's not a hope. We are going to save this thing. Yeah, that's the end of it. Might as well dump the rest in. There we go. I'll sit her into the basement and let her dry. Alright. I'll take some pictures of it before we bring it down. thing we're going to clean today is the upper case. We're going to get that off of there. CH2. Must be from some school district, I would assume. I wonder if that's 1084. That would be weird though. I'm sure it's 1084. The monitor that we have has the exact same, at least date code, I'll call it, on there. So we're going to clean this eye up and get that drying as well. This thing is obviously being plastic, not nearly as tortured. Poor Apple. For some reason the video shut off on me while I was doing that, but as you can see, she's all cleaned up. If I get the light just right, you can still see, yeah, where she needs some retrobriting, where all the marker was and the damage it took. Good old bromide. Alright, so we're gonna hang this guy up, get her drying off as well. Looks like I might have to touch it up a little bit more, but there we go, the cleaning process. Apple Cat, we gotta get out there and save those Apple IIs. So we got a few hours left today. Trying to get some retrobriting in. This may be the last day of the year that we're actually gonna get like 70+ degree weather. So I got the Apple IIe. I got my buckets, been out here for at least a day, warming up the water as much as I can. Stuff in submerged. In an hour, we'll get her all twisted around again. Son, do your worst. There we go. Not quite the results you're looking for. So one of the ideas of having it in the sun is for it to be hot. Well, today, it's only supposed to get in the mid-60s. Again, being up in the northern part of the United States, we're just going to help it along a little bit. So, dump some warm water in there to help her get started. We're just going to dump the rest of what we got. Unless we get some decent weather in the next few weeks, this is probably going to be the last time we can do this. Except for me making one inside.